Hi, I'm Ray. We're out in the garden today. It's a cold, dippy day again, but we've had a nice week of lovely, cool weather. But I saw on YouTube a few of the YouTubers are doing the single seed challenge for 2022, and I love a bit of a challenge, and I've been thinking of what I can grow as a single seed challenge for 2022. I've taken part in the last 3 years, and last year I started the sweet pepper lunchbox mix until my daughter told me she didn't like lunchbox peppers and the peppers grew too long and they just died, so that was no success. The year before I did tigerella tomatoes, and I'll add a link on the channel below, and that was a great success, and the tigerella tomatoes were really good. But I was thinking, what can I do something different this year? So I've decided to do something quite different, and I'm going to grow a chia seed. And I see these chia seeds in the supermarket in a big packet, and I have thought, how do they actually grow? And chia seeds are high in fibre, and these have been harvested at the peak of the season and are great in smoothies and in yogurts. So I'm going to grow a single seed from a summer chia seed. So what is the seed challenge? Well, the single seed challenge is taking one seed of any vegetable or even flowers maybe, and watching it grow from the very start of sowing the seeds through growing, all the different stages of growing, and then harvesting, and then dying at the end of its life. So I thought a bit of a challenge, we'll try this chia seed. So let's sow our seeds, and which one to choose out of this packet. So we're going to use a small pot, and I like these square pots. You can get quite a few sat next to each other, side by side, and it's better than using the round ones. So I'm just filling it up with some compost, just normal multi-purpose compost. So we've got our tray, we're just going to give it a drop of water just to give the compost, make it damp, and we're going to look at the chia seeds. Now the chia seeds, we can see all different colours. There's white, there's brown, and there's grey. So I don't quite know what one's going to be best to sow. So I'm going to choose this one. It's a bit of a mixture. See, that one looks a bit better than that one. I'm going to choose this one as our single seed. So I'm just going to place it into the pot. There we go. That's our single seed. The best can go in the packet. And this is our single seed, our chia. And we're not going to cover this up, we're just going to leave it as it is. Just going to make sure it's touching the compost. We're going to leave it in the pot as it is. We're going to write a label, single seed 2022 chia. We're going to put this on the windowsill and we'll see if it grows. So I can't wait to see what we get from this, and apparently it grows quite tall, and yeah, I look forward to seeing if we can grow it on. But check back and I'll add this into the 2022 single seed playlist, and then if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more, and we'll watch whether our single seed chia seed grows. Cheers!